Hello everyone. We are back with another English lesson today. In today's video, we will show you some new ways to say your opinion in English. Let's watch some skits and learn new ways to say your opinion. Please enjoy. Jose, are you going to eat pudding again today?
Well, yeah, because it's delicious.
Jose, you are so wrong. I strongly believe that pudding is one of the worst desserts.
Wow, do you really hate pudding that much?
Pretty much.
I agree with Rose this time.
Why do you hate it so much?
First, it does not taste good. Second, there are so many delicious desserts that are much better than pudding.
Like what?
Ice cream, cookies, chocolate. Literally anything is better than pudding.
You guys are wrong. I am positive that if you try pudding again, you will love it.
I don't think so.
I hope that we can start regular classes soon. Online lessons are not the same.
Obviously, having regular classes is better, but unfortunately, it's too dangerous right now.
Yeah, and there are benefits to online classes. For example, students can study at their own pace.
I guess that's true. Still, I strongly believe that students learn better in a classroom.
Some people are saying that we should use this chance to change to online learning from now, even after it is safe to go back to school.
There is no way that will happen. Students and teachers will complain too much.
It's so beautiful outside today. Sunny weather is the best.
No way. I am sure that cloudy weather is better than sunny weather.
Yeah, the sun is way too strong. It makes me feel weak.
Are you sure you're not a vampire? You sound like one.
Anyway, the best kind of weather is obviously snow. It is so pretty, and it makes the atmosphere feel magical.
Snow is so troublesome though. Trains become delayed, and sometimes we even have to cancel classes.
Then, what is the best type of weather?
Thunderstorms. The bright lights, the loud noises, they're so exciting.
But aren't they scary?
I don't think that we will ever agree on this.
I strongly believe. We used the phrase I strongly believe in two skits, the pudding debate and the online teaching discussion. This phrase can be used to say your opinion. It is much stronger than saying I believe or I think.
I am sure that. I am positive that. We used the phrase I am positive that in the pudding debate and the phrase I am sure that in the best weather discussion. Both of these phrases are used to say your opinion. They are more casual or natural than saying I believe or I think.
Obviously. We used the word obviously in two skits, the one about online teaching and the best weather discussion. Obviously is a casual way of saying your opinion. This means it is usually used with friends or family. Even though it is casual, it is a very strong way to say your opinion. You should use obviously when you are certain that you are right, or if you want to create a strong impression.
There is no way. In the skit about online teaching, I said there is no way that we will change to online teaching only. This is a very strong way of saying you don't think that something will happen. You can use this phrase if you strongly disagree with someone and think their idea is not possible.
We hope that you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments, please let us know. See you next time.